Hi there, today we are going to learn about SQL Server stress testing with OSTRESS. For that, you will need an RML utility. You can download this RML utility from the link described in the blog post. I'll share this link in video's description. Once you download and install RML utilities, go to the folder where they are installed. For most of the system, this will be the location of your RML utilities. Go to command prompt and change the context of the folder to RML utilities. Once you are over here, type in OSTRESS. Click enter and it will show you all the options which you can use to run your stress testing. Now, for this demonstration, I have already created a sample table inside my SQL Authority database. We will be inserting some data inside this table, and for that we will be using OSTRESS. The syntax is already provided over here. Let's copy it and paste it into my command prompt. Now, before we run this command, let's understand a couple of options. S stands for name of the server and E stands for Windows authentication. Right next to that, we have our insert query, and following that, we have very two important parameters, N and R. N stands for number of connection processing each input file or query. In another word, number of threads. And R stands for iteration of each connection to execute for the query. That means I will be inserting 20 rows in 5 threads. That means total number of the rows will be 100. Let's execute the statement, and you can see it has created 5 threads and processed entire operation in just 398 milliseconds. Let's go to SQL Server Management Studio and see if it has inserted 100 rows or not. There we go. We can see there are 100 rows. Now let's change values to be inserted and number of threads. Let's run it. This time around 10,000 rows will be inserted into our table. The process completed in 2 minutes and 1 second, and upon selecting the select statement, we can see 10,000 rows. Now you know that you can change value of N, R and the query and create your own stress test for SQL Server.